I've been so busy doing different brand reviews and just so many different types of videos that I've not done one of these in a while. This is a single essential oil video, basically all that you need to know about geranium. Today we're doing geranium, and I wasn't going to talk about this at all. It wasn't even on my radar, but I got a new conditioner, and it was like a glossing conditioner by Verb. It's just a random purchase, but looking at I just filmed another video and I was looking at my hair, and some of the pieces are like tinselly. They're so shiny. In just one use, it made my hair so shiny. So I'm going to link it down below in case you guys want some shiny hair too. Anyways, let's talk about geranium essential oil. I just had to go and make one of my daughters a roller for her foot. They're in gymnastics now. And so they've fallen off the beam and do the vault, and it's pretty dangerous. They're building muscle and skill, so I'm for it. But she fell off the beam and hurt the side of her foot, and it wasn't really feeling better after a few days. So I made her a roller, and geranium was one of the oils in there because geranium is a really good anti-inflammatory and analgesic essential oil, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But it prompted me like, hey, I should do geranium in my next single essential oil video. I have a whole list of these videos. I will put the playlist down below or try to tag it. I don't get fancy with that stuff, but I'll put it somewhere. And if you don't find it, let me know in the comments and I'll send it to you. But I just like to talk about single essential oils because there are so many just versatile oils that can be used for so many things. And I like learning in depth. Why does the oil do this? And so that's what we're going to do today. There's a little bit about history, but mostly it's what is the oil made of and why that benefits us and how we can use it. Plus I have some recipes in this blog post. So geranium, it is native to South Africa, but it's grown in a lot of different places now. I have the Revive geranium. I should go on their website. Maybe it says where this one specifically is from. I like both Revive and Simply Earth because they give you an abundance of information. They test their oils really well. There's no red flags for me, and so I can trust them to say where theirs is from. So Egypt as well. So I don't know if they have the same farm or wherever that they source, but they're both from Egypt. And so it's just grown in a lot of different places now. It has an earthy, potent floral scent. So it's very strong. So when you're making a blend with geranium, you want to use less of it than you probably think. You can always add more, but it is a very strong aroma. Native to South Africa, geraniums were brought to Europe in the 17th century, where they became popular in gardens for medicinal use. The Victorians adore them, using them in everything from perfume to culinary. It's used a lot in perfumery, a lot in skincare, that type of thing, and it's beneficial in those things too. But we're going to talk about some different uses today. Distilled from the leaves and stems, like most essential oils, is steam distilled. So that just means steam and the plant matter is put together. The essential oil leaves the plant and it turns back into a liquid. It vaporizes and then turns back into a liquid, and that is the essential oil. You also get a byproduct of the water, which is the hydrosol, which has similar but different benefits and is used in different ways. It's more gentle. So a little bit more, I guess, on Egypt, China, and India are the main places that geranium essential oil is sourced, and the variations in climate and soil. And after they can cut the plant and then leave it for a while to dry before they go take it to distill it, and that can determine the scent profile and things like that too. So there's a lot of different things that determine the quality of the essential oil and then the aroma too. The main constituents are what I will talk about next. So monoterpenols, which are antimicrobial, anti-infectious, anti-inflammatory. Those in the geranium are citronellol, geraniol, and linalool. And those are three that are in a lot of different essential oils, especially linalool. But the make the essential oil antibacterial, antioxidant, antimicrobial, analgesic, and things like that. And so those are what make the oil do and have the benefits that it has. And then it also has limonene, which is an ester, and esters are anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and analgesic. And so that's why it would help with muscle and musculoskeletal type of issues too. Also interesting properties, mood enhancing, so it makes it smell so floral and bright and uplifting, and that's used in a lot in perfumery and making things smell better. So uses of geranium essential oil next. Skincare helps balance oil and oily and dry skin. So it just brings like a balance to skin. And I have a post, I show a post on different carrier oils per your skin type. And if you can't find it, I will try to link it down below. But there are different essential oils that are good for different skin types too. And I have a video on that too. So that's down below. But this one is good just for balancing. It's also good for anti-aging. Can be irritating to the skin though. So make sure you proper dilution. And for skincare, it's 0.5 to 1.5%. So that's just a couple of drops. Like if you're making a roller, that's like 2 drops, like not a ton of essential oil. Make sure you're following that. Just so that you don't have any adverse reactions. Emotional well-being, so relaxation reduces feelings of stress, anxiety. It's really uplifting. It smells great. If you hate floral oils, obviously it's not going to be that for you, but floral oils usually are just uplifting, especially paired with like a sick bergamot. It's a natural insect repellent, so we have our own DIY bug spray. I will put the recipe down below too, but usually in it along with catnip essential oil, geranium, cedarwood, citronellol, talking about that. But the few essential oils that are proven to work against pests. It can be used in hair care, so balancing your oils, your scalp's oil production, just like balancing oil on your face too, just to promote like healthy hair, that type of thing. You can add it with rosemary. Rosemary is really good for promoting growth, and so those two would be great together. It's really fun to add it into your DIY cleaning products in the spring, especially. I just like adding florals. Just add it to your like all-purpose cleaner or your scrubs. You can add it to like skincare scrubs in the shower as well, like a salt or sugar scrub. And then lastly, musculoskeletal. Like I said, it has really good benefits for like anti-inflammatory and easing pain. So aches and pains, inflammation, and musculoskeletal tension. And honestly, it's like 50-50 with kids. Like, you never really know. Like, Emery goes through periods of where she gets headaches and stomach aches, and I'm like, is this anxiety or are you really dealing with pain here? And so with kids, it's just, you never know. But she did use the roller for a few days, and she has not complained about her foot since. And then actually since then, like a week or two later, Zara actually hurt her foot, our youngest, and she's been using the roller too, and it seems to be better. So I just kind of say that lightly just because kids are kids, but also I really do think that it's working. I have 5 recipes in this blog post, which I will link down below. TOREYNOORA.com is my blog. So in case you ever just need to go like quick something, you can go to TOREYNOORA.com and then search for what you need to. But there's a bath soak recipe, Epsom salts, geranium, lavender. I love good bath soak, just like the best aromatic experience. You're getting the benefits of soaking in the essential oils, but you're also getting the aromatic benefits too. Aromatherapy at its best. Glowing skin serum, also oil, geranium and frankincense to help with anti-aging, brightening, just making your skin look and feel healthier. Mood boosting diffuser blend, geranium, bergamot, and ylang-ylang, so heavy on uplifting essential oils, especially good for spring. Natural insect repellent, so geranium, citronella, and eucalyptus. You can change that up though. There are so many different essential oils that are good for natural repellent. Catnip, like I said, is really good also, but that's hard to find. Revive has a pre-made blend with it in it, but they're the most beneficial against bugs. Fresh and floral room spray, so just making like a room spray, geranium, lemon, some witch hazel and some water, mix it up every time you use it and spray on like your curtains or whatever. In the blog post will be our list of essential oil brands that we like. I do a lot of research. I'm always investigating, looking up different brands, seeing why they're good, why they're not. Transparency is really important to me. So all of the brands that are in my list are like, I have looked into everything that I possibly can about them, and they check all my boxes. So my list will be there. I also have essential oil guides. The balance hormones one is most popular. It's full of information on how see like maybe the symptoms you're having are because of hormone imbalance. Getting that tested is important, but also there's so many lifestyle tips that we can be doing, essential oils, just things, essential oil, dogs, allergies, all kinds of guides. So those will be linked down below in the blog post as well. And I think that is it. I hope you enjoyed geranium and learning a little bit more about the essential oil. Let me know what you use geranium for, and thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.